Hello everyone. So if you want to enhance your privacy in Telegram, here's how to do that. First of all, let's open up our Telegram, of course. Now tap on these three lines at the top left corner and tap on settings. So let's start with the most obvious one, and it is devices. If you're gonna tap on the devices, you can see the list of all the devices which your phone is connected to. So if you see any session which you don't know, you can simply press terminate all other section, and that's it. All other sections are gonna be terminated and only this one will stay. Let's keep up. Let's go to data and privacy. Privacy and security. So first of all, you can enable two-step verification. If you're opening up your Telegram, you will be needing to enter the password. Auto delete messages, you can turn this off. So all the chats which you're gonna start, right, are gonna be deleted after some custom time, 1 day, 1 week, or 1 month. You can enable a passcode. So when a passcode set, a lock icon appears above your list. You can block somebody in Telegram. It's quite easy to do. And here you can see the list of the locked users. Or you can press block user and block somebody from your contacts here. Then, once again, as I already said, you can see the list of devices. As for the other privacy settings, so you can choose who's gonna see your number, everybody, your contacts, or nobody. You can add exceptions, so always allow for some numbers and never allow for some numbers. You can edit who will see when you were in the Telegram last time. Once again, you can add up your exceptions. Profile photos, everybody, my contacts, nobody. Forwarded messages, everybody, my contacts, nobody, like who can forward your message, right? Not a link if allowed by the settings, or everybody. Calling, who can call you? Everybody, only your contacts, or nobody. And once again, to every of this setting, you can enable your exception, which is, I think, really good and advanced. Telegram users get a little bit more, so they will be able to, let me show it once again, they will be able to block the voice messages, the messages. You can add a date of birth, who can see it, everybody, your contacts, or nobody, who will see your gifts, who will see your bio, and invites. Also, you can set up what will happen to your account if you're away for such a long time. So delete my account if you're away for 1 month, 24 months, 18 months, 12 months, 6 months, 3 months, or 1 month. Basically, that's it. I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.